Yeah, hold on a second. I'm looking at the menu.
Okay, sir. Can I have your phone number, sir?
Yeah, hold on a second. I'm looking at the menu. You know how you got the 6-piece nuggets?
Sir, sorry to say, sir, but as of this moment, the available food that we are offering right now is the burgers and chicken only, sir.
Can you give me just 4 nuggets? Take the 6 nuggets and throw 2 of them away. Put 2 of them up your ass and give me 4 chicken McNuggets.
So sorry to say, but it is not available as of this moment.
Now, if you could take a Coca-Cola and just go half Coca-Cola, half Diet Coke. And I'm going to go with a filet of fish sandwich.
Sir, the only available right now is the burgers except for fish sandwich.
Please, don't offer me anything. I'll tell you what I want. See? It's fucking simple.
Yes, sir, but the available only, sir, is the burgers except for the fish.
You don't give a shit, you fucker, you fucking bitch!
We don't have fish fillet as of this moment, sir. Sorry, sir.
Shut up! Dude, listen. Hey. What the fuck? You cocksucker!
Good morning, thank you for calling Secret Express. This time may I help you?
Yeah, hold on a second. I'm looking at the menu.
Pardon, sir?
Yeah, hold on a second. I'm looking at the menu.
Okay.
You know how you got the 6-piece nuggets?
Nuggets, sir?
Can you give me just 4 nuggets? Take the 6 nuggets and throw 2 of them away.
Hello? Hello?
Good morning.
Sino to?
How are you?
Sino yung anak niyo?
Take your mother, please.
Si?
Take your mother, please. Let me talk to your mother.
Hindi ko maintindihan.
I'm a cop, you idiot!